Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate a spread in my Passionate Penny Pincher home planner for the week of December 17th through the 23rd. The Passionate Penny Pincher's home planner runs from Sunday to Saturday, so it kind of messes me up a little bit whenever I go to plan these or film these, because all of my happy planners start on Monday. So that's why it's from the 17th through the 23rd. I have my little half sheet insert that I will be using for a running to-do list. I'm going to be using Blustery Nights. These are some stickers that are available in my shop. We have lots and lots of boxes. I really don't think that I'm going to use a ton of boxes because of the way that this spread is set up, but I will probably just use the sticker kit. These colors, again, just like last week, match really well with the colors in the spread, so I didn't have to worry about printing out a black and white version. This is the printable version that I have punched, and I'm using it in a disc-bound planner. So that saved me a lot by not having to print out the black and white. I think I'm gonna go, I always say this and I'll say it again, start in your corners. Always start in your corners if you just want a pretty planner spread that's simple and cute, but still very functional. Just decorate your corners. You don't have to bother with a whole lot more, especially with a busy spread like this. I'm still contemplating, and I've been saying that I'm probably not going to be using this planner for 2024. I still don't know for sure if I'm going to or not. I go back and forth constantly on what I want to use. So I still have a little bit of time. I'm filming ahead. I have time to decide, and I can always change. You know, if whatever I decide that this isn't going to work for me, I can always change up mid-year or however I want to. It's my planner. I can do what I want to. So I don't know yet what 2024's planner lineup is going to look like. We will see the closer we get to it. Okay, so now I think I want to take an orange box. This is one of the taller vertical boxes that's available in my kit. And I think I want to put it here. And what I may do, I could use this box to do like a grocery list for my Christmas Eve dinner. We're going to do Christmas here on Christmas Eve. So I can use this box for a lot of different things. And I'll kind of decide as I go what I want to use it for. Let's see how this would look if I kind of decorate around this box with this floral. I'll use my little geometry ruler here to cut around. I'm getting hungry, my stomach's growling. I've been filming for hours now. It's almost 3 o'clock and I haven't eaten yet, so I might as well not eat. I might as well just wait until supper time, but that's, you know, besides the point. Okay, now I don't know that I particularly want to put another box in this spread. I may just put this little pair of gloves up here just to add something cute here. And I think I'm going to call this page done, and then we'll go to this page. So what can I do over here? I think I'm going to put this floral in the top. Now this sticker paper, you can still check off some of these boxes with the sticker paper that's covering them. You may just have to use like a permanent marker or something. I actually didn't really cover the boxes, but sometimes I do, and that's one of the things too that I mentioned about this planner is it's kind of discouraging to me as a planner, because if I don't get all the boxes checked off, then I feel like you know, I failed the whole week. So that's just a personal thing, something that I've got to decide and try to work through. But you can mark through the boxes with this sticker paper. You just may have to use a permanent marker. Okay. All right, that's really cute. So I think what I want to do is I want to take a blue box. So I have the orange box here. I want to take a blue box and just come down off of Sunday. And then decorate a little bit around this blue box, and then I will probably be finished with this spread. Just so that everything kind of looks similar. It doesn't have to be the same. I just want things to look pretty similar. So I think I'm going to take this this little greenery arrangement. I keep saying floral, but it's not really a floral. Uh-oh. Take this and put it on the edge of the orange box. Oh, Oliver, you're so noisy. All right, that's cute. And then I'm wondering if there's something that I could put around the bottom down there. I don't really want to have to punch a hole. So why don't we do this? Why don't we cut? I can actually do this with my scissors. Let's cut this. Okay, that's cute. And then I can take this little piece and put up top here. Cut off this excess, and this planner spread is probably finished. Look how pretty the colors are. They match so well. I kind of feel like I want another pair of gloves somewhere because I do have the gloves on the right hand side, so I think I'm just going to stick those there. So now we kind of have the spread is similar. It's not the same. That's my favorite saying. Keep things similar, just not the same. All right, so I think I'm done with this one. Let's put it back in my planner, see what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Oh no, I just knocked my stickers over. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you'll give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. I'm not very active over there. This is my main social media platform that I use over here on YouTube, but follow me on Instagram as well. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas, a super Happy New Year, and I love y'all. I will see you. Oh no, I forgot to decorate my insert. Hold on. Just hold on. This is like one of the most important things to me is this half sheet. I can't believe I almost forgot this. Ugh, who even am I? Okay, let's do this down here. I love my little half sheet to look like my planner spread, to match my planner spread. So let's do this really quickly, and then we can be finished with this Plan With Me video. Gonna be so cute. I love these colors. These are perfect winter colors. I do have stickers that are similar to these, but they have blues and reds. They're actually new releases. They're called Crisp Winter, and the colors in those stickers are really pretty as well. I'll be using those in another spread here soon. Look how pretty this is, y'all. All right, I kind of want to go more down here, but I don't know. Maybe we'll take this and go down at the bottom. I know my little doggies need to go outside and go potty. They're fussing. It's 3 o'clock and I've been filming for hours, so I think I let them out at like 11, so I know they're probably doing like the pee-pee dance. So I need to get finished up here. All right. Yes, this is so pretty. So pretty. Okay, now I think I'm finished with this spread. Let's put this in here and look how cute it is. It just matches so well. Look how pretty that is. So we have our running to-do list that matches our spread. Okay, so give this video a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys on the next one. I love y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.